March is recognized globally as International Women's Month. In this report, Marlon Samuels puts the spotlight on Ena Collymore-Woodstock, a trailblazer who served her country in war and broke barriers in Jamaica's justice system.
Born in 1917 in Spanish Town, Ena Collymore-Woodstock attended Central Branch Primary School and St. Hugh's High School. She answered Jamaica's call to serve during World War II. She survived a torpedo attack, became the UK's first black female radar operator, and helped defend Europe from enemy craft. After the war, she returned home to make history. In 1950, she became Jamaica's first female court clerk. In 1951, she married civil servant Woodstock. In 1953, she was appointed Jamaica's first female crown solicitor and resident magistrate. Her leadership extended beyond the courtroom. She was involved in several organizations, including the Girl Guides. Recently, we here at the PBCJ had the honor of speaking with her daughters, who visited our offices to view an exhibition of their mother's remarkable life. How did your mother inspire you in your life?
She's inspired every aspect of my life. Professionally, in terms of getting into law, she's inspired me to think without limitations, the importance of giving back to the community, to the importance of family, of travel. She's been an amazing inspiration and role model for me and for the family.
What do you think people should remember most about her?
I think the idea that nothing is impossible. I often tell my students that if you work hard, you play hard. And I think that was Mom's mantra. She worked hard, she was always prepared, and but she loved to entertain. As I said, she loved travel. And I often remind students, my students, I was a teacher, that you have to be prepared. You never know what happens. She didn't plan to go into law, but because she applied herself and was always ready, she was able to enter law school, which she didn't have in mind at the beginning. So just being prepared, taking advantage of every opportunity that you get is what I would hope people remember.
She was a trailblazer who served her country in war and broke barriers in Jamaica's justice system. Ena Collymore-Woodstock passed away in December 2025 at the age of 108. Her legacy of courage, resilience, and trailblazing continues to inspire generations. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.